Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace alternator on 2006 Chrysler 300 Easy Method. Start by disconnecting the battery negative terminal and clearing workspace around the engine. Remove the serpentine belt using the tensioner and note belt routing. Label electrical connectors and take photos for reference. Support any nearby components that block access, then unbolt the alternator and lift it free. Prepare the replacement and reverse. Begin by releasing the serpentine belt tensioner and sliding the belt off the alternator pulley. Next, disconnect the electrical connector and remove the main power nut to free wiring. Unbolt the alternator mounting bolts and support the unit as you slide it out of the bracket to avoid dropping it. Inspect the mounting area for damaged bushings or debris. Compare the new alternator to the old one to confirm matching connectors and mounting points. Place the replacement alternator into the bracket and start mounting bolts by hand to ensure alignment. Tighten bolts to the manufacturer's specified torque and reconnect the main power nut and electrical plug firmly. Refit the serpentine belt following the routing diagram and apply correct tension with the tensioner. Reconnect the battery negative terminal and start the engine to verify charging voltage. Listen for unusual noises and recheck bolts after a short test drive for safety.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.